So there's going to be a full opposition-led states who will be meeting in Kerala, where a conclave is going to be organized. So Kerala will now be hosting a conclave. A group of 5 opposition-led states will be meeting, and this is to chart further strategy to ensure their fiscal needs are addressed on the upcoming 16th Finance Commission. State Finance Minister K.N. Balagopal has said this. So it's going to be very interesting, which means specifically states from southern India and Punjab. And other states as well, including Himachal, we are told, where the opposition states are going to come together. So it's remember the left ruled Kerala, Aam Aadmi Party governed Punjab, other states, for example, Tamil Nadu, where Dravidam Munnetra Kazhagam is in the government. Shibimol KG is joining me for the latest on that. Shibimol, this is very interesting. So all the opposition, which basically means the non-BJP states, are going to get together. Have the confirmations come already? Who's going to represent the states? And why this specific conclave in Kerala?
Well, this has been called by the Kerala state government. What the confirmation has come from the finance minister of the state, K.N. Balagopal. He said that this conclave will take place on the 12th of September with finance secretaries from Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Karnataka and Punjab attending it. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan will inaugurate, and there will be financial experts, and the 15 Finance Commission policies will be discussed, is what he said. He said that there are a lot of fiscal requirements, and if we remember the protest that was taken out by the Karnataka government and as well as Kerala government, with support from Tamil Nadu government in Delhi in the beginning of this year, saying that when it comes to financial needs, states like Kerala and Karnataka, Tamil Nadu are all being ignored. So the conclave will have experts participating in it, and there will be a lot of discussions taking place. In fact, even before this also, Kerala Finance Minister has reached out to the opposition-ruled state finance ministers for such meetings and all that. So it has taken place in the past also, but this for the first time a conclave kind of scenario is taking place. That will be happening on 12th.
Very interesting. So is this in many ways also the non-NDA alliance that is shaping up? Also will be interesting to see if there would be a state government that may not represent itself in Kerala. We'll be tracking that. Shibimol, thank you very much for now.